The function f of t equals 5 plus 15t can be used to determine a bicycle racer's location in miles from the starting line, measured t hours after passing the 5-mile mark. A. How far from the start will the racer be 1 hour and 40 minutes after passing the 5-mile mark? And B. Assuming a constant rate, how fast is the racer traveling? We'll start with part A, and we'll find how far the racer is from the start after 1 hour and 40 minutes. So we have a time of 1 hour and 40 minutes, and we have the function f of t equals 5 plus 15t. We need to substitute t in terms of hours, so we need to write 40 minutes as 40/60ths of an hour. 40/60ths is 2/3. So this is 1 2/3 hours or 5/3 hours. So in 1 hour and 40 minutes, we have f of 5/3 hours equals 5 plus 15 times 5/3. 15 times 5/3 will be 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. So we could say then that the racer will be 30 miles from the start. For part B, we again look at the function f of t equals 5 plus 15t. We want to find the rate at which the bicycle racer is traveling. The rate would be the number multiplied by t, which would be the slope of the line. So we can read directly from this equation that the racer is traveling 15 miles per hour.